Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Herkese merhaba, ben Seda. Hi everybody, my name is Seda and welcome to turkishclass101.com. Hepiniz hoş geldiniz. Nasılsınız? Her şey yolunda mı? In this video, I will be talking briefly about personal pronouns. Şahıs, zamirleri. This is a relatively easy subject. You just need to memorize the words, and their usage is very similar to English and other languages, so it shouldn't be confusing. Let's start with the pronouns, and then I will give you the different versions of them, okay? Ben, I, ben. Ben. Sen, you, sen. O, he, she, it, o. Biz, we, biz. Siz, you, siz. Onlar, they, onlar. Onlar. I have some notes about these pronouns. The first one is, as you may notice, we don't have any gender in the pronouns. And actually in general, we do not have a gender in Turkish language. Everything is neutral, so this applies to pronouns as well. So another important note is the pronoun siz, you in plural. I've talked about this in another video, but I will repeat it again. This is normally a plural you, siz. However, if you want to be polite to someone, you would use this plural you form as a singular one. For example, su ister misiniz? Would you like some water? Su ister misiniz? So, su ister misiniz? This can be directed to multiple people, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Su ister misiniz, you guys, would you like water? Or just one person, you are being polite to. Okay? So, keep that in mind. The last note about the pronouns. In Turkish grammar, you do not have to use these pronouns in a sentence openly. What I mean? The verb is already conjugated with the personal pronoun suffix, and one can understand the pronoun without mentioning it like ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar version. Let me give you an example so you understand better. Ben seni seviyorum, which means I love you. Ben seni seviyorum. Here we use the pronoun ben. However, you don't have to. If you say seni seviyorum, it already means I love you. Because the M at the end of seviyorum shows it is I who love you. Okay? So when or why do you use these if it's not necessary? Let me put it this way. If you want to emphasize it is I or it is someone to do something, you would use them. It's mostly for emphasis. Okay? Anyway, let's continue. In one of the previous videos, I talked about noun states. İsmin halleri. Okay? We have five noun states. The first one is nominative or absolute. In Turkish, it is yalın hali. This one is the plain one without the suffix, okay? For example, ev, house, ev. There's no suffix. This is the plain noun. So we have the second version of a noun with the locative case, bulunma hali. This one is either at, on, or in, something like in English. As a Turkish suffix, it's de, da, te, ta. For example, ev, de, in the house. Ev, de, The third one is the dative, yönelme hali, dative case. This one is either to or towards in English. As a suffix in Turkish, it's ea or yeya. So it is eve, to the house. Eve, eve. The fourth one is the accusative, or you can say definite, belirtme hali. The verb should be, to be able to use this, the verb should be a transitive verb. This accusative form is used when the object of the sentence is definite or specific. It is similar to the in English. As a Turkish suffix, it is either I, U, Ü, Y, Y, U, Ü, according to vowel harmony rules. Sorry. If I give an example, evi, the house. Evi, evi. And the last one is ablative case. It is the ayrılma hali in Turkish. This one is either from, out of, through, of in English. And in Turkish, the suffixes are den, dan, ten, tan. Okay? So why did I mention these? Because all these noun state suffixes can be used with the personal pronouns in Turkish. Let's see how. I will probably, it's gonna be a little confusing, me just saying it, so I will put some table, something like a table here, I don't know, somewhere. Okay, I will just say them and you can read them here. So I'll start with ben, I, bende, bana, beni, benden. Okay? So the next one is sen, you, sende, sana, seni, senden. The third one is o, he, she, it, onda, ona, onu, ondan. Biz, we, bizde, bize, bizi, bizden. Siz, you, plural or formal singular. Sizde, size, sizi, sizden. And the last one is onlar, they, onlarda, onlara, onları, onlardan, onlardan. So this is it. Let me give you some examples before I go so you see them in action, okay? Not just separately by themselves. Sen beni aradın mı? Did you call me? Sen beni aradın mı? Here beni is a definite object. That's why we take the E. Kalemin bende. Your pencil is at me. Not a correct translation, but meaning it's like it's in my bag at my house. Somehow I got it. Something like that. But we use it like this in Turkish. Kalemin bende. Kalemin bende. Senden duydum. I heard it from you. Senden duydum. Senden duydum. Onlar bizi görmediler. They didn't see us. Onlar bizi görmediler. Here again, bizi is a definite object of the sentence. Siz gelin. You come. Siz gelin. Siz gelin. Siz gelin. Biz üzgünüz. We are sorry. Biz üzgünüz. Biz üzgünüz. Bizi izliyorlar. They are watching us. Bizi izliyorlar. I didn't say onlar bizi izliyorlar. I could say it like that. Onlar bizi izliyorlar. Ben onlardan korkuyorum. I'm scared of them. Or just onlardan korkuyorum. Same. Okay, that's it. We are done, guys. You can, multiply the examples. I hope these examples are enough. You need to play with the words to be able to memorize them easily. Otherwise, it's all of them all at once. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you have questions, always leave them below. And use the comment section to practice together, to comment on each other, and have a conversation if you can. And don't hesitate to help each other. And I know sometimes I talk about some grammar terms and not everybody's, not everybody remembers what the terms, for example, what is a pronoun, what is a definite object. But these terms make sense when I explain things. So if you can't remember what those are, please take note of the terms and search about them. Because when you know the terms, you understand how these structures are used in a sentence. So it will help you to learn easier. So take note and just Google it. Probably you'll see in Wikipedia or something like that. Okay, that's it, guys. I will see you next time. Görüşürüz. Kendinize iyi bakın. Güle güle.
Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.